Welcome to Tan Bliss. Myself, Ranveer Khetan.
Myself, Goutamee Keshan.
And myself, Yashica Gupta from DAV Model School, DURGAPUR.
Say goodbye to tan, hello to radiance. No more tan lines, just even radiant skin. Haven't we all been in a situation where our skin has lost its glow, it feels dehydrated, and all we see are the dead, dull cells? That's where Tan Bliss's Detan scrub comes in. It's more than just a scrub, it's your skin's best friend. It gently exfoliates your skin, hydrates it, removes the stubborn tan, improves your skin texture, and brings out your natural skin. With Tan Bliss, your skin gets the much needed love and care it deserves. We had conducted a survey and it has shown the following results: that 86.6% of people expose themselves to intensive sunlight. 48.6% of the people prefer scrub as a skincare product, and 74.3% of people are tensed about their skin tanning effects.
The only solution for all your tanning problems, Tan Bliss's Detan Scrub. It helps reduce redness, helps in pore reduction, provides a radiant glow, and definitely removes tan. A natural solution with no chemicals to give your skin the extra care it needs. Skin is your first layer of defense, so it's high time you start caring about it. It's absolutely safe and will not damage your skin. It doesn't require time, thrice a week, and your skin shall be fine. When we did a survey, we also asked people that whether they wanted to try or test our product, and the results are shown. Also, we have used this product and shown you the effective results. What makes Tan Bliss superior and different from its component? Targeted expertise, natural ingredients, holistic skin benefits, fast and effective, brings out natural beauty, no added chemicals, anti-aging property with a reasonable price, and hydrates your skin. It's not a face wash but a scrub which aims at rejuvenating our Indian culture. Tan Bliss's Detan Scrub doesn't just compete, it leads by offering a specialized, natural and result-driven solution for sun-damaged skin, delivering quicker, visible results while staying eco-conscious and cruelty-free.
Say goodbye to stubborn tans and hello to your luminous skin. Experience the dual action power of sun protection and tan removal. So all the sufferers and endurers of the scorching heat come together and achieve a clearer and more even skin tone while the harmful UV rays will be at bay. Our Tan Bliss is your skin's best ally. The link and IDs for our Detan scrub is given below and is also available in our Instagram page and the kit company with an easy access. So what are you waiting for? Just order now and get back your original skin.
Thank you.
Thank you all. We sincerely appreciate your support to Tan Bliss, and our special thanks to Ideathon for providing this opportunity, and also to our mentor, Ma'am Mallika Gujral, for supporting us throughout the journey.